guys, welcome back. We're back here. Okay, so we're at my friend's front yard, and we had to turn on the light because I have no flashlight.
It's so dark.
Yes.
Look at that thing. I think you can't see, but
It's so dark you can't even see. There's like a few lights. Yeah. But
my dog. We just heard a creepy noise.
yeah, let's go inside.
This is giving me nightmares.
Ethan scared me again.
So look, in my house, we give you a house tour.
Yeah.
Except my brother's room, and except that room.
Yes. So here's the front entrance, and then here's Karina's desk, and here's her playhouse. Here's the family.
Here's Ethan.
Here's their YouTube setup.
Ethan wants to be famous.
Grand tour. Famous.
Ethan. Wow. Is a dog. He's getting it. If you guys saying he needs a trim, he's getting it next Saturday.
Yes. Anyways,
messy.
we go this way, and then
Oh, here's the slime.
yes, here's the
playing it.
yeah, here's the slimes. We were using. Yeah. We got.
Oh, and here's the computer I play Roblox on.
Yeah, this is her computer.
Our office.
Here's Ethan's toy.
Dinosaur. Here's Ethan's bed.
Here's the bathroom.
I think you don't know what a bathroom is.
Yes, we don't want to. Here's his grand bed.
And here's the tabletop thing.
Yes, anyways, let's go to the next set.
My YouTube channel.
So, here's the kitchen.
Okay, and we don't want you to show you the back because it's so dark.
And over there,
And here's this room.
that room.
That
room. So, if you guys have seen Avengers Endgame,
We had Subway.
yes, we did.
I'll
Give you some spoilers next morning. Anyways, and here's the
I think you
grand.
want to check out my channel.
And-
It's Karina Breakfast.
Yeah.
She will.
You know what's weird?
Link it down below.
My last name is Beck. Her last name is Beck with
I know. I feel like we're twins.
or sisters,
I know, right?
but different names. There's Ethan. He was the one that knocked over my camera. Well,
Yeah.
my phone.
Sorry about that, though.
Yes.
Why are you looking at me?
I don't know.
I'm just petting Ethan over here, and you're just like
What?
so awkward.
Anyways, we're gonna play a song on this, and if you want to hear it,
I don't know if she's good playing, guys, but you're just showing them your whole face. I show them too.
yes, please do. So I'm gonna get a camera person. His or her name is gonna be Hogan, Karina, Hunter, Mom, Dad, or anyone. Okay. Well, that's great.
I can't get it. I'll get it. Ethan's sniffing me right now.
Oh my gosh.
See? He thinks I'm good.
Anyways,
I think it smells like Subway. Baby shark, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do. Please, baby shark. Show that.
Baby shark, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark, do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark,
You're the daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark.
You're just showing the kitchen. Okay. I just throw Ethan up there.
Yeah, anyways. If you guys could hear that, give a shout out to Karina and Pink Fong
And Ethan.
and Ethan and me.
And even you guys who are watching.
Any of you guys watching, I'll give you a shout out if you comment and subscribe and like and yeah.
This is our second vid.
Second.
I have 4 videos on my channel.
Yes.
I think. I go check.
Okay.
And I will show you guys.
Yes.
So you can watch.
Anyway, so we have this perfect family with all the Elmo surprise and Barbies, stuffed animals, and baby and Skipper and whoever.
If you guys, we could get giveaway prizes
Actually, we might or might not.
on whole channel, but I might do on my channel.
Yeah, but
Even snipping.
would you stop it? Trying to vlog here.
Okay, I'm gonna.
If I get enough subscribers, I would. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll give any gift card away. Wait, no. I'll
Wait,
give
1 second.
I'll give you guys a gift card if you like, subscribe, and get 100 videos on this. 100 likes on this video. Anyways, so we went outside and it's very hot in here now since we have our sweatshirts on.
Yeah, true. I have a tank top on there.
Same. It was very hot today. I'm so tan now.
Right? Like, I have a tank top under this thing.
Same. I have a tank top under this thing too. Here's my tank top. There's her tank top. We're both wearing shorts. He's wearing fur in a color.
I'm
Anyway,
gonna trim it.
so I'm at her house, and next time we'll be at my house. So bye. Mwah. See. Bye. Mwah.